The station echoed softly beneath the evening sky. People hurried past us, never asking why. You held a little suitcase, I carried dreams instead. Neither heart imagined the roads that lay ahead. A gentle autumn evening, the sunset painted gold. Two hearts believed tomorrow would never grow old. One announcement echoed across the crowded hall. Two trains stood waiting, one answer for us all. You smiled and waved, I smiled back too. Neither one believed goodbye was true. One simple moment, one passing glance, life quietly changed without a second chance. One whistle cry, the doors closed slow. The world kept moving, though we didn't know. One final wave, one silent tear. The train kept leaving while you disappeared. I took the wrong train, you chose another line. One little moment changed two ordinary lives. If I had called your name, if you reached for my hand, perhaps we'd still be writing the story that we planned. Every passing station still whispers of that day when love was only one train away. Cities passed like strangers, years became the miles. Different streets, different dreams, different borrowed smiles. I built another lifetime, so I was told to do. Yet every crowded station still somehow leads to you. Sometimes in the distance, someone walks your way. For one forgotten heartbeat, yesterday returns today. Now every passing train carries one small prayer. Maybe somewhere you're remembering the evening we were there. Perhaps you found a family, perhaps you found your peace. Yet somewhere lives the question that time could never ease. Do you ever hear a whistle in the night and wonder if one choice could have made everything right? Life is made of moments too small for eyes to see. One step to the left, one step to the right can change eternity. Maybe fate was waiting beyond another door. Yet sometimes broken hearts still search for something more. I Whenever trains are leaving, I quietly stand and smile, watching strangers holding hands, listening for one familiar voice, wondering if somewhere you're watching the same sunset